Good morning, children. I'm back. So, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. We'll continue with the English today. Yesterday, what we did? We did the new words and we did right or wrong. Hope all of you have understood and are perfect with it. We will take out page number 50 of your semester books. We will continue with the fill in the blanks today. I hope you all will understand. You all have understood the true or false, and now you will understand and complete your fill-ups. So fast take out page number 50 of your books. Okay, fast. Let us do the fill-ups. So fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks. Page number 50. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. We have 5 fill in the blanks in your book. So first one I am reading. All of you go through it. Krishna and Sudama went to Guru's ashram to dash. Why did Krishna and Sudama go to Guru's ashram? They went to play? They went to enjoy? They went for a picnic? No, they went to study. So in the first blank, all of you will write S-T-U-D-Y, study. S-T-U-D-Y, study. What is the spelling of study? S-T-U-D-Y, study. So in the first blank, write study. Then second one. After the training was over, they returned dash. After the school, where do you all go? You come to study to school, na? When the school is over, where do you all go back? You go back to your house. So after the study, even Krishna and Sudama, where did they go? They went back to their home. So second blank, you will have home. What is the spelling of home? H-O-M-E, home. H-O-M-E, home. So second blank, write H-O-M-E, home. After the studies, they went back home. So come to the third one, all of you. Yes. Krishna became the dash of Dwarka. When he studied and when he became big, Krishna became what? He became the king of Dwarka. So in the third blank, what will you have? King. King. Yes. So third blank, write king. K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. In the third blank, king. King means Raja. He became king of Dwarka. Who? Krishna. Who became? Krishna became. Yeah. Fourth. Sudama lived a dash life. Sudama lived a simple life because he was very poor. Humble life. He lived a humble life. What is the spelling of humble? We have studied it now. Humble below. H-U-M-B-L-E. What is the spelling of humble? H-U-M-B-L-E. Humble. So write there. H-U-M-B-L-E. Humble. H-U-M-B-L-E. Humble. The last one. Sudama took dash as a gift for Krishna. What did Sudama take when he went to meet Krishna? What did he take? He did not have anything. So his wife gave him some poha. So he took poha as a gift for Krishna. So what is the spelling of poha? P-O-H-A. Poha. P-O-H-A. Poha. Fifth one, write poha. So I hope you understood this fill-ups, all of you. You understood it well. Did you all write? First one, study. S-T-U-D-Y, study. Second one, home. H-O-M-E, home. Third one, king. K-I-N-G, king. Fourth one, humble. H-U-M-B-L-E, humble. And fifth one, poha. P-O-H-A, poha. Okay, children. Now, fast take out next page. Page number. I hope you have written. So now take out page number 51. Take out page number 51. We are going to do the word fun in that lesson. Word fun of this lesson. So take out page 51. Page number 51. Word fun. We are going to do the word fun. Here we have two words with different spelling, but while we spell it is same, but they have different meanings. So I will tell you what are these two words and what these meanings are. So you have to match also in this. This match I will give you in the WhatsApp, but first you understand. First word is C, S-E-E-C, and another thing you have to match with this is the second word is C, S-E-A-C. See, we both our pronunciation for these two words is same, C and C, C and C, but the spelling is different. This is S-E-E-C, this is S-E-A-C. S-E-E-C. What is the meaning of S-E-E-C? What we are seeing. This C is C. We are seeing. I can see this book. I can see what is around me. This is first C. This is S-W. What is this C? S-E-A-C. This is Samudra. This is Samudra. Pani. What you see in the sea. Samudra, ocean. That is this C. So hope you have understood both these meanings. C is seeing and this is samudra. Okay, ये देखना और ये है samudra. Both have different spellings, but when we pronounce both is same. So you should know where you will write S-E-E and where you will write S-E-A. Okay, next word is wood and wood. Second word W-O-U-L-D is wood. We say wood. And W-O-O-D is also wood. So, what is this W-O-U-L-D wood? I would have done this. मैं ये करता. I would have done that. This wood is this wood. I would do that. I would like to do this. जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ, this wood is this. But W-O-O-D. This wood is this wood. लकड़ी. This wood is, this duster has wood in this. This is लकड़ी. W-O-O-D wood is this wood. और जो करना है, I would have done, that is W-O-U-L-D wood. W-O-U-L-D wood. Hope you understood both the meanings. New and new. This N-E-W new, K-N-E-W new. Both are pronounced as new. Both are pronounced as new, but they have different meaning. This new, oh wow, Mama bought a new dress. Naya. This is Naya. This new is Naya. When we are very happy, we get something new, we are very happy. This is Naya. But K-N-E-W new, pata hai. This new is I knew that is this. I knew that happened. This new is pata hai. हमें पता है. I knew that was going to happen. मुझे मालूम था ऐसा होने वाला है. This new is that. Understood? New नया, new पता है. That new. I knew. मुझे पता है. I knew. मुझे पता है. Next is 8 and 8. 8. E-A-T-E 8 and E-I-G-H-T 8. Both are pronounced as 8. This 8, I ate 4 apples. Khana. This 8 is khana. I ate lunch. Yes, I ate my lunch. मैं खाना खा चुका. That 8 is khana. But 8, E-I-G-H-T, all of you know, it is a number. It is a number. So this 8 is khana and this 8 is a number. It is a number. The next one is meat and meat. Meat and meat. Meat, M-E-E-T, M-E-A-T. When we want to meet somebody, milna. This meet is milna. Parents, teacher, meet. This meet comes na when teachers and your mummy, papa meet. So meet, this meet is meeting. मिलना है एक दूसरे से. And this meat, what you have, that is what you have, chicken and what all you eat, animals, what you have it. That meat is, non-veg is this meat. Okay, so meat and meat. The next one, hair and hair. Hair, H-A-I-R, H-A-R-E. Next one is hair and hair. H-A-I-R is what you have it on your head. What you have it on your head. Sixth one, H-A-I-R, H-A-R-E. H-A-I-R and H-A. This hair, H-A-I-R is this hair. And this hair is a mammal. It is a mammal, big rabbit type mammal which has long ears. That is this hair. This is a mammal animal it is, and this hair is hair of your, but we spell it in the same way. Hair and hair. You have to know the spelling, which is H-A-I-R and which is the animal. The next is bear and bear. B-E-A-R, B-A-R-E. B-E-A-R and B-A-R-E. B-E-A-R is it is B-E-A-R. What is B-E-A-R? Bear. It is to bear something. Bardash karna. B-E-A-R is bear something. Long. B-E-A-R is an animal with thick fur. You seen a polar bear. This is one is animal with thick hair and one is to accept something. You can bear it. I have bared it. मतलब कुछ हाँ ठीक है. I am bearing it. That is bear. And B-A-R-E, bear. It is a part of body which is covered by which is not covered by a clothing. This is bear. This is bear. Part of body which is not covered by clothing. Which is not covered. Clothing नहीं है. It is bear. It is bear. This is B-A-R-E, bear. This is B-A-R-E, bear. Then blue and blue. Everybody knows this. B-L-U-E, B-L-E-W. B-L-U-E, blue is a color. Blue is a color. And blue, this, udana. Udana. This blue is phukna, udana. Blue a balloon. Hawa bharna. This is that blue. And B-L-U is, it is a color. It is a color. So these words, children, when you pronounce it, it is same. But you should know the spelling, where to use which word. So hope you all have understood all the words very well. And you, if you didn't understand, go through the video again. Understand each word again. Understand, and I will give you this to match in your books, in your WhatsApp. Then you see it and match it carefully. Okay, children? Okay. God bless you. Thank you. Take care.